What's going on, everybody? Jermaine Lee Monster Steel here, doing this quick unboxing for you guys for the Mint massage chair. Guys, this company has been very effective in communicating with me in regards to the Bluetooth speaker had initially broke, but as you guys can see, I'm just unboxing it, right? And so they actually provide service for 1 year. And as you guys can see here, very nicely, packaged, lots of foam in there. So if your ears are anything like mine, cover your ears as I'm pulling these things out. I am doing this the hard way, AKA by myself, right? So you might need one other person to help you get it off of the base of the massage chair, right? But go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel while you guys are watching me do this the hard way. Again, I'm doing this by myself. I wanted to, basically there's probably a lot of people that are doing this by themselves. So once you cut that plastic off there down the bottom, a lot of this is pretty straightforward. But the way that this SL Track extended massage chair comes is packaged very well. So the one thing I'll tell you is that the SL Track, goes down, as the kids would say, they said, oh, it massages your, your beneath yourself, we'll just say, right? And it does your legs, it does your calves, it does your feet, it does the bottom of your feet. And so as you can see here, again, packaged very, very well. As I'm going through this, I'm realizing that, there is a couple of things that need to take place, like zipping up the, what I'll show you here in just a minute, and basically going to give you an overview here, but also plugging in the power plug, going through the manual, really kind of getting to know the functionalities. I did that for about 2 days before it really became quite easy, right? So there's a lot of automatic modes like tie for him, for her, things like that. Okay, so down here you can see it's on this base. Very, very cool looking chair. It is a little bit, maybe about 3 to 6 inches, has less width to it, if you will, right? But as you can see here, I'm plugging that in down at the bottom. Very, very simple. Switch that on. So very, very easy to, get out of there. Like I said, you might need a second person to pull that out. I didn't show that part, but here goes that zipper I was talking about. It connects the, the foot massager to the base of the chair. And then, as I'm showing you here, the remote, there's all kinds of different, modes, like I said. And so those modes go anywhere from, 15 minutes. You could put an hour on there. You can also adjust the strength of the calf rollers. You can adjust the strength of the, feet rollers. You can adjust the strength of the shoulder bags, right, as they call them, air bags. And as you can see here, neck and shoulder, waist and hips. There's heat. So what I really also like about this is that there's heating on it. So again, guys, I'd say out of 10, in the beginning, I wasn't quite sure because of the Bluetooth issue, but they got that taken care of. Like I said, they give you a year return. But out of a 10, I'd say I'm 8.5, right? I'm really 8.5. And I'm just going to kind of take a minute to give you guys a last overview. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.